Today, I'm going to talk to you about a particular herb. It comes under the herb combination, but it's actually a grass. It's called lemon grass, right? Now, you can buy it like that, 2 tubs, about 80 pence. And the reason why you use that is because it adds magnificent flavor and lots of vitamin C complex to your food. Now, one of my favorites, you get sea bass, right? It's already filleted. You get the skin and you score the skin with a sharp knife. You put it down like that into olive oil and coconut oil. And then when that's almost cooked, the bottom part, you smash this. You smash this in a mortar and pestle with ginger, garlic, celery around, and a bit of olive oil. You smash it like that, and you spread that into the fleshy part of the fish. In other words, the other side of the skin, and you rub it in there, and you let it cook until the fish is white. All right. Now that will flavor the fish incredibly tasty, right? So remember, ginger, lemongrass, celery around, a little bit of olive oil, and you smash it all up, crush it up, put it out of the mortar, rub it in the fish, okay, and let it cook. Now, even if it's a bit raw, it doesn't matter, but it will cook with the fish, right? In addition to that, you can make, if you've got colds or you prevent it with colds, flu, virus, whatever, you take one of those, you cut up into small pieces, put boiling water in it, let it sit for 8 minutes, and you put a teaspoon of honey and you sip that, and that really helps relieve the cold, right? Now, if you like this video, subscribe to the button below and you'll get access to videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays.